Hey everyone and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to create this section right here. You can see there is a image slider like this, and then we have this little text, and then we have some icons right here, and also this is very easy to create. So let's get started. First of all, just go back to your Elementor editor. So I'm going to create a new column, and this time I'm going with one column right here. And first of all, right click on edit section, and I'm going to change the minimum height to 400 pixels like this. And now in the widget I'm going to use image carousel. You can see we have this widget image carousel. Simply drag and drop this image right here, widget right here, and now here you can see we have the option of images. So basically this is going to be our image library. So when you click on this button right here, and now simply click on upload files and simply download these files. So let me upload those files. Here it is. And now you can see I have selected all my images and click on create a new gallery. So this will create a gallery for you, and then simply click on insert gallery. So it does not see anything because the images, the logo images right here are already in the white color. So first of all, I'm going to change the column color. I'm going to select the column, and then I'm going to click on the style and simply click on background type and add a color. So I'm going to pick this color right here by using this Chrome extension, and this is the color code 202020. I'm going to copy this color code, and then I'm going to paste the color code right here in the column. So you can see we have added a background color in our column. So let's edit our image carousel. Here you can see we have the option of image size. So I'm going to change the image size to full. And now here we have the option of slides to show. Simply change the default to 4, something like this. And now in the navigation you can simply turn off these arrow and dots. It's all on you if you want to enable those navigations, but for now I'm going to turn off these navigations. And in the additional option you have the option of autoplay. You can simply turn off or on the autoplay from here, and you have the option of pause on hover, pause on interaction, and here you can set the autoplay speed, and 5000 mean 5 seconds. Okay, and here you have the option of infinite loop, and you have lots of the direction of the animation. So basically you have lots of things right here. And in the style you can change the vertical alignment. So I'm going to change the vertical alignment to center. So you can see this is the end, this is the start, and this is the center. And now what I'm going to do is simply click on edit section, and I'm going to change the minimum height to default like this. Now I'm going to change the column. You can see we have the option of column gaps. I'm going to change the column gaps to no gap. Okay, and now I'm going to select this column, added column, and in the advanced I'm going to increase the padding. You can see when I'm increasing the padding, so this is also looks like this. You can see, and I'm going to turn off this extension, and let me increase little bit padding more. Let's go with the 65. Okay, something like this. And now to make this image, this column above this area right here, what you have to do is you can simply select this section. You have to select this section, right click on edit section. In the advanced you can simply play with margin. In the advanced you can simply decrease set the margin in the minus, something like this, minus 92. And now you can see we have this section upper right here. if I select this section, and in the advanced, if I have not set the Z index, for example, if the Z index is 1, so you can see this is always stay upper because this layer is at 1. But if you want to make this layer upper, this layer, you have to change, go to edit section. And now we have selected this section right here, and you can simply change the Z index to 2. So you can see when I change the Z index to 2, so this will automatically comes up. So this is how you can create this kind of section in Elementor, and you can see this is very easy to create. See you in the next lecture.